Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix iMessage not working and iMessage activation error. Open settings and navigate to message section. Tap on apps and tap on messages. Now ensure the iMessage feature is enabled. If it's not enabled, now toggle iMessage off, wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. If it was already off, simply turn on iMessage. And the second option is to reboot your device. To do this, hold the down side button and volume button simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. Or you can also do press volume up button once, down once, and hold the right side key and simply turn it off. The third option is check Apple system status. Visit Apple server status page to see if there are any ongoing issues. You can visit it from website. The fourth option is check internet connection. Ensure you have an active internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi to cellular or cellular to Wi-Fi. The fifth option is to sign out to Apple ID. Go to settings and this time tap on your banner Apple ID, scroll down and simply sign out and sign in again using your password and your ID. Now the next option is to check date and time settings. Go to settings page again, tap on general, tap on date and time and make sure set automatically is selected and your internet is good enough to automatically set the date. Now the seventh option is to update iOS. To do this, go to settings again and go to general again and in general tap on software update and if there are any new version available, simply update it. The last and the main important method is to simply reset your iPhone. Reset. Go to settings and general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on erase all content and setting. After the reset, set up your device again and restore your backup and then try activating iMessage. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.